बात तो तुम सही कह रहे हो, बिल्कुल सही बात है। क्या तीर मारा निशाने पे। क्या कहेंगे इन सबको इंग्लिश में। जब भी आप किसी पर्सन से अग्री करते हो, उससे सहमत होते हो, तो उन्हें हम इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? आई अग्री विद यू, यस। और कुछ वी आर नॉट श्योर। इसके अलावा और क्या तरीके हैं आई अग्री कहने के या फिर किसी से सहमत होने के? दैट विल लर्न इन दिस वीडियो। So without any delay, let's see some different ways to express agreement with someone. So the very first one is absolutely. For example, do you think the new policy will be beneficial? Absolutely. Let's take another example. Isn't that movie one of the best you have seen? Absolutely. So absolutely here we are using for bilkul, I agree, yes. Let's see another way. Next is I concur. That also you can use for agreement. How do you use it in example? Let's see it. Based on the data, we should invest in this project. I concur. Or the book was much better than the movie adaptation. I concur. So I concur is I agree. Next is you are right. तुम बिल्कुल ठीक हो. For example, I think you have missed an important detail here. And how do you reply? You are right. We should recheck the data. Let's take another example. This method seems to be the most efficient. And in reply we say, you are right. It saves a lot of time. So you are right also we can say, I agree. जब आप सामने वाले को बोल रहे हो, तुम ठीक कह रहे हो. Let's take another situation. Next we can say, I am with you on that. इस बात पर मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. How will you say it in example? Let's see it. I believe we should offer more training sessions for our team. And you reply, I am with you on that. Or you can say, pizza sounds great for the dinner. I am with you on that. So I am with you on that is, इस बात पर तो मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. That means I agree. There are other situations also. Let's see that. You can also say, that's true. ये तो बिल्कुल सही है. How do you use it? It's crucial for us to meet the deadline. That's true. Or else we'll face the penalties. Next is, the weather has been unpredictable lately. That's true. It was sunny and then it rained suddenly. So when you agree, you can say, that's true. Let's talk about another situation. I couldn't agree more. Whenever you say, इस बात पर तो मैं बिल्कुल ही सहमत हूँ, मैं तो ना कर ही नहीं सकता. There you say, I couldn't agree more. Let's see some examples. Customer satisfaction should be our top priority. So in answer you say, I couldn't agree more. Or you say, education is a powerful tool for change and I couldn't agree more for this. Just remember one thing, the context of the conversation can dictate the most suitable phrase to use. So choose the one that fits best with the tone and content of the discussion. So these were the phrases and I am sure you are definitely gonna use it. So for more such content, don't forget to subscribe our channel and stay tuned with us.